Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dear All Excellencies, Mr. Kalman Osten, the founding father of Paku Inggris and Basic English Course, Mr. Fuad Al-Mutakin, the director of Basic English Course, Honorable Ms. Regilda, as the supervisor of active meeting today, Honorable Brother Auli Amin, as the chief of active meeting. Dear my friends, my loving brothers and sisters, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this world would never exist without His madness, the God who fractals of death to the fastest of the universe. Praises to Him and thanks to Him for all the things He has granted us. And may we don't forget our salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad, along with his families, his fellow followers until the end of the time. Hi my friends, my brothers and sisters. I'm Fernalia Agustin from Bref Class. I would like to thank to Master of Ceremony who has given me change. Today I would like to talk about something we often feel but we don't really dare to talk about. Do you know what it is? Something we often feel but we don't have enough confidence to say about it. Yeah, that is failure. So, what comes to your mind if you hear the word failure? What is failure? I will give you examples. If you study hard but you don't pass the exam, that is failure. Or failure means not being successful in doing something that you try to do. Okay, have you known about the meaning of failure, guys? Have you ever felt like a failure? Please raise your hand if you've ever felt it. Okay, thank you. Dear my friends, please listen carefully and pay attention to me. Let me share a story about myself in the past. Since I was a child, I grew up as an ambitious kid. I always loved achievements. If I joined a competition, I had to win. If I was in the class, I had to be the top 3. I always needed to have targets. Why? Because those things made me feel like I was valuable. And then I always had targets. Until one day, I filled in 2023 Madrasah Science competition. I filled at Province level. I still remember the announcement, it was on Friday, and I cried more than 4 hours. I cried because I didn't reach the goal that I set for myself. I didn't get the winner. And after that, I thought, what does failure actually mean? What is failure? Is the failure when we cannot get the highest score? Is the failure when we cannot reach our dreams? Or is the failure when we lost from the competition? I was so confused. But actually, failure is not something objective. Failure is not the same for everyone. Everyone has their own way to decide what failure means for themselves. Everyone has their own opinion about failure. Failure is not just about cannot get the highest score, it's not just about lost the competition. Maybe failure is when we stop trying, when we stop learning, or maybe failure is when we are too afraid to start something new. But guys, whatever your definition of failure is, I hope we will never forget to always appreciate ourselves. Because even though failure is not something objective, but success is process. Your success is your process. Well, dear my lovely audiences, before I end my speech, I want to tell you something important. For the first, if you felt like a failure, please remember you are not alone. And maybe you are not really failing because definition of failure is different for each hour. And second, if you are still fighting to achieve your dreams, please don't forget to always appreciate yourself. Please appreciate your own process. Well, I have come to the end of my speech. Thank you for allowing me to grow with this change. Remember to enjoy every step that you take. And don't forget to redefine your failure and climb your journey. I'm Fernalia Agustin from Bref Class. Don't forget to write the conclusion that I have told you before. And last, thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.